Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's read is going to be for the sign of Gemini for the month of August 2020. Let's see what we have coming up for all the Geminis out there for the month of August 2020. And if this reading resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a video. Okay, so let's see what we have coming out for the Geminis for the month of August. Okay, just gonna put it a little bit on the side. Right. Okay. Okay. Very close. Present situation, Gemini, is not in your full strength. What's up? Some deception. Okay, no problem. Let's see what we have coming up. In your recent past, I see Geminis that you were in your full power. Okay? You were in your full power. Angels were around you, protecting you. So they actually protected you. Because in the recent past, I see some kind of deceptive energy. Maybe there was something that, maybe there was a person in your life who was pretending to be something which they are not. And you got to know about that thing. You got to know about that deception. Yeah, I do see that you got to know about that deception because, yeah, you're not in your full strength, or maybe no, you did not. Let me just clarify this. Yeah, you got to know about that thing. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So, you were in your full strength, angels were around you, you were stable in your energy, be it emotional energy or any kind of energy. But I do see an ending to a certain situation in your recent past. Somebody told you something about a certain person that left you a little bit heartbroken, that left you in a little bit of sorrow situation. And because the person was deceptive, there was something hidden. Maybe in the whole situation that you were going through, you were not able to see the actual picture that time. But when that person told you, you actually saw the actual picture. You were a little bit disheartened about it. But in the present situation, I do see that you gained your strength. You gained your full strength, and you said, I am in my full strength. I will handle whatever comes my way. I will handle this person. I don't see that there's a new start in the present situation, because definitely you got into your full strength that time. You actually pretended that you were in your full strength. Okay, now I get it. You were pretending that this thing hasn't affected you at all. These things doesn't matter to you. This person doesn't matter in my life, or whatever my fellow co-worker did, it doesn't affect me at all. But it actually did. You were not able to move forward. I don't see a new start. I don't see you that much energetic. I don't see you being like, okay, let's see what's gonna come my way. I am ready for it. You are not in that situation. In the present situation, you are not in that mood, or in that you are not that much energetic. and you're not in your full strength for sure. You're not even trying to gain the strength. Why are you not trying to gain that strength? Geminis, you need strength, then only you'll be able to move forward. I do see for most of the Geminis, it is related to their work situation. It is a fellow co-worker that did something that you got to know. Okay, right. So, just now, maybe it was a fellow co-worker. It's definitely a relationship issue for you guys. It's not like a job situation or any kind of that thing. It was a relationship issue for you guys. You were not able to gain the strength. You were not able to cut this person off. Even though you got to know about the deception about this person, you gained the strength, but you did not take a new start of your life. You did not cut this person off completely from your life, and you did not pour in positivity. You did not pour in what you were supposed to. Right? I do see that your energy is unstable. You are still waiting for this person to come back into your life. You're still waiting for this person to come back. In the present situation, you are not ready for a new start. But in the near future, I do see abundance in finances, but I also see some sorrowful situation. Let me just clarify this. Okay, I see relation commitment. Relationship and commitment is Let me just take out some clarifiers because it's giving me like mixed readings. It's giving me like mixed signals. Yeah, you're not ready for the new start at all. In the near future also, I don't see you in your complete balance. You're not ready for the new start. In terms, okay, so there are two things going on side by side. The people who are dealing with something that happened in their job. For the Geminis that were dealing with a fellow co-worker that was actually deceptive, you got in your full strength. Maybe that thing just, give you a little bit of heartache, but it did not turn up your whole life around. It didn't affect you that much, and eventually you gain the strength. In the near future, I do see abundance, I do see promotion, I do see great offers coming your way. So you were able to clarify that situation in terms of your job. Now, and also in terms of your job, you were able to balance the whole situation. Okay, now in terms of love, the Geminis who were actually dealing with a person in their love life, you guys were not able to gain the strength. You were still waiting for this person to come back to you with an offer, and you were not ready for a new start, which eventually in the near future, I see this thing eventually left you disheartened, but you are still not ready. In the near future, I don't see you starting a new relationship or getting back with this person. I don't see you in your complete balance. You need a lot of healing, Geminis. You definitely need a lot of healing. You, yes, you are left heartbroken, but because of one person, you cannot push everything aside. You are not in your full strength. You cannot push everything aside. You cannot push the abundance that's coming your way aside, because there is abundance that's coming your way in terms of your career, in terms of your uh, love from family, but you are pushing everything away just for this one person. Let me see the energy of this person, what this person is, what this person's energy says. This person's energy is unstable. They don't know what they're doing. This person's, I won't even say that this person's energy is unstable. They are not in their full strength. They are not abundant in themselves. Firstly, they need to heal themselves. Maybe they just went through a major heartbreak or something happened in their family, but the person that you're dealing with is not in their full strength to offer you love. Definitely, if like you need to have love inside you to offer somebody the love that they require, but this person is not sufficient in love themselves. They don't know what they are doing. They have a pretty unstable energy. They are pretty emotionally unstable. Yeah, I don't see this person. This person is pretty unstable. Like they need some time. At least in the near future, I don't see you both reconciling. This person needs time. It's not about you. If you keep going back to this person, you keep giving them your energy, and you keep getting low on the energy, and eventually then you're just putting more pressure on yourself, and you don't need to do that. This person needs to learn their lessons by themselves. Maybe something happened in their past. Maybe something happened in their past that they need to come out from first. Yeah. So this person, I don't see them coming back in the near future. At least in the month of August, I don't see this person coming back. But you have a lot of offers coming your way in terms of your career and in terms of your job prospects. So if you are getting any kind of those offers, don't let everything else go away. Don't let your family go away who are ready to give you love, just for the sake of this person. Don't push everyone aside. Okay, that is simply the advice for you, that do not push your family aside. Do not push the people who already love you aside just for this one person. Just because they are not emotionally stable doesn't mean that you have to deal with this unstable energy all the time. No, just try to come out of that energy, meditate, and just bring yourself out of that energy. And once you bring yourself out of that energy, you will have abundance. You already have abundance. It's not like you need to find abundance in your life. You already have abundance in your life. You are just pushing it away. You just don't want to see those things that other people are offering you. You are just stuck onto this one person. Just let them be. In the near future, I don't see them coming back. At least in the month of August, they're not coming back. But it's not like that you keep on thinking about them all the time. If there are other people who love you, if there are other people who are ready to offer you love, just go towards them. Just live your life. Be sufficient. This person is already insufficient in themselves. They don't have anything to offer you at the moment. Maybe in the future they would have something, but not at least in the month of August that I see this person coming back or this person's energy changing. Okay, So just do not cling on to this one thing. There are a lot of other things that you are not even thinking about, that you are simply ignoring just because of this person. Do not do that to yourself, Geminis. You need to meditate, you need to calm your mind, and you need to gain the same strength back. You need to gain the same strength back that Geminis usually have. Geminis are not that you will just cling on to one person and just keep on giving your energy to them and the other person has nothing to offer you. Don't let that happen to yourself. Okay, so just focus on the people who love you. There are people around you who actually want to offer you love. Just look for those people as well. This person still needs to learn some lessons. This person needs to heal. Give them the time to heal. If this will be the person, they will come back to you eventually. But you will have to wait till the divine time comes, till the process of universe is over, till the the divine has to decide whether you both are now ready to come into a relationship or not. So just let the divine decide. Okay, and you need to focus more on the people that are ready to offer you love. Your family, your friends. Do not ignore those people. So that was the reading for you, Gemini, for the month of August, and I hope that it resonates with you. If it resonates, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to meditate and calm your mind all the time. Okay, so I will see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.